how to use Zapier tables. Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to use Zapier tables. Alright, so let's begin. When you're working with Zapier tables and a bunch of data, you might be using filters and search and different settings to get the data looking just right. You can save preset views and filters, making it super easy to look at your data and take action on it, which in my opinion is one of Zapier table's most luxurious features. So here you can search for your records if you have any created before. So that's pretty good. Once you found your records, you can add filters to them according to your choice. You just have to tap on this filter and here you have to select the field. After selecting field, you will see this type of interface and your filter will be added. Now, once you have created your tables, added filters to them, now it's time to save all these settings. So you just have to click on this Save View option and pop-up menu will appear on your screen. Here you just have to name your view and click on this button. Now I've got this view saved. I can trigger a zap anytime new records show up. In this view, I can even create a table listing in an interface so I can share it with people. So that's basically how you can use Zapier tables. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.